Hello everyone, this is Shubham Bajaj, an undergraduate from IIT Madras. I have prepared this presentation during an internship under Professor Sameer Mathur from IIM Lucknow. In this, we will be discussing about Disney, the brand we all love. Let's start with the history of Disney. Disney's history is all about dreams coming true, especially the impossible ones. Started by Disney Brothers in 1920, Disney gave its customers best of the entertainment times. From humble beginnings as a cartoon studio in the 1920s to its prominent name in the entertainment industry. Today, Disney proudly continues its legacy of creating world-class stories and experiences for every member of the Disney today has grown into a household brand, a synonym of entertainment. Its numbers tell its story. Before you start guessing those big numbers, let me tell you. Customers spend 13 billion hours with the Disney brand every year. Disney is the 43rd largest company with revenues touching 52.48 billion US dollars. The Disney brand consists of 5 main business segments. The oldest of them is Disney Studios. For over 90 years, the Walt Disney Studios has been the foundation on which the Walt Disney Company was built. Today, the studio brings quality movies, music, stage plays to consumers throughout the world. Second, the Disney Interactive is the digital entertainment part of the Walt Disney Company. As one of the world's largest creators of high-quality digital experiences, Disney Interactive produces interactive entertainment for the whole family, including multi-platform video games, online short-form videos, mobile and social games, also digital destination across all current and emerging media platforms. Coming to media networks, Disney have a large number of channels, from news channels to movie channels, from cartoon to family entertainment channels. Disney have launched recently a large number of consumer products. These products help in connecting consumers physically with Disney World and its characters. At the last but not the least, Disneyland gives consumers one of the best entertaining times in their lives, the fun part in their lives. Now these parks and resorts are facing many serious challenges as more and more competitions are growing up in the market. Now let's have a look at the competition Disney faces. It faces serious competition from Time Warner, Viacom and 20th Century Fox Studios. Time Warner is Disney's chief competitor. This company not only challenges Disney's television interests but also looks to be competitor in merchandising. In media network, Disney faces serious challenges from Viacom CBS. CBS promises new programming and a strong lit lineup that may challenge the success of ABC. CBS offers a huge threat to the future of the Walt Disney Company and the ABC television network. The Fox Entertainment Group is a serious competitor to the strength of Disney's television networks. They have continuously challenged Disney's television prominence with their popular shows and also sporting interests. We have so far talked about Disney's brand power, its business segments and its competitors. Now let us move forward and talk about the dilemma the brand faces. Disney faces serious challenges in balancing its 90-year-old legacy with innovation and innovation with relevance. It has to innovate for today's customers but at the same time have to remain true to its core values. Also, it has to innovate but also keep itself relevant to the core audience. Till now, Disney seems to be very well balancing them. For example, Disney websites on opening gives a very well idea of its heritage and also keeps innovating itself. There is hardly any doubt Disney connects with its customers better than anyone else. So let's understand what does Disney do best to connect with its core consumers. Disney started by focusing on only children, then it slowly moved towards families. Now Disney has something for everyone. Its consumers are of all ages and all cultures. Here are some of the examples which shows the Disney connection with its consumers. Its diversification in almost every vertical of entertainment, from sports, that is ESPN, to superheroes movies, that is Marvel, from Hungama TV to the coolest games. Disney have it all. Disney believes in making a close relationship with consumers, keeping them updated about what is happening. what are the new shows that are gonna get launched. In first picture, you can see Disney celebrates birthday of a kid, an attempt to get close to consumers' heart. In second image, they launches videos of their new shows on their website and also gives their description. Its website is one of the coolest websites you're gonna visit. It gives insight into movie trailers, television clips, park experiences. Disney started regular podcasts with its employees and staff to make better connect with its consumers. Also, they organize live shows with Hannah Montana star to give reality angle to the show. Now let us see what are the risks and benefits of expanding the Disney brand in new ways. The greatest risk faced by Disney as it pertains to expansion is staying true to its legacy, while also keeping it pertinent and up to date with consumers. Disney has taken great caution during expansion over the years, being particular not to tarnish their brand name and staying relevant in society. This diagram very well explains the risks involved. On one hand, Disney have to maintain that they keep launching new shows and movies at the same time have to keep in mind that they do not lose control on quality. They have to use new resources available to them, but at the same time they do not have to lose their reputation. Besides, working in entertainment areas, the company should continuously work on brands that people seek out and trust. In this presentation, we have seen how Disney became one of the world's most famous brands. Walt Disney's dream and his words have come true. If we compare Disney with its competitors, Disney's ability to maintain its heritage with innovation has set it apart. A value creation dynamic based on high standards of quality and recognition sets Disney apart from other brands. This presentation is created by me, Shubham Bajaj, from IIT Madras during a marketing internship under Professor Sameer Mathur from IIM Lucknow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.